I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. I got my May 2021 Ice Cream Beauty Box. And I am actually loving this subscription. This is a newer subscription. They do have the beauty box and they've got the beauty bag. And both of them, both of the box and the bag, you get a palette every month. In addition to that, all the products are full size. So definitely, if you have not seen this before or you have an interest in it, definitely go check them out. The owner was wonderful enough to give me a discount code, so use that if you decide to scoop up this subscription. And like I said, I absolutely love getting this every month. This is what it looks like when we open her up. And this month, surprisingly, this is the first time they did this. You were able to choose between two different palettes on which palette you wanted to get. And I actually forgot which one I chose. But that's okay. We're going to dive in and see everything this month. Okay. Here is the little card we get for May, and the theme is Spring Flowers. They do list all the items that you're getting in your box along with the prices. So, obviously, I love the fact that they do that. And the first thing I've got is from Ruby May, and it's the Glam Queen Mascara. This retails for $17. I've never tried the Ruby May mascara, so I am actually curious to give it a try. Ooh, look at the packaging. This is super cute. Okay. That's the little spoolie. So it actually looks a little different than your average spoolie. So I will definitely give this a try and let you guys know what I think for a $17 mascara. I mean, that's definitely not cheap. It's not super expensive for a mascara, but it's not like drugstore cheap either. Okay, the next thing is by Stina Face, and it's their Velvet Dream Stick. So I don't know what that does, but it retails for $15. Okay, it's a matte lipstick, but it's also supposed to nourish your lips. Oh, okay. This is what the packaging looks like. And here's the color. It's actually a really nice, like, neutral, nude kind of pink. It's hard putting a matte lipstick on over a lip gloss. You're not supposed to do that. It defeats the purpose. I like it. I think it's pretty. And it feels nice. But I kind of can't tell because I've got lip gloss on anyway. Okay, next is by May Couture. These are blush sheets. Never heard of this before or anything like it for that matter. I've heard of like blotting sheets and stuff like that. Okay, I like it. How interesting is that? And then it's like a whole booklet of all these sheets. And then in the back, it shows you how you're supposed to use them. That's so funny. Like, it's not funny, but it's kind of funny. I'm trying to get one and pull it out without it getting all over my hand. Yeah, it didn't pull out very good. Alright, let's see. Is it working? Yeah, I guess it is, huh? I don't know, that's pretty cool. I mean, that's what it looks like. It doesn't, I don't know. I mean, I really love the color. It's a very neutral kind of pink. I have never seen anything like that before. Anyway, okay. Moving on. We've got something from Douce. I think that's how you say it. If I said it wrong, let me know. Because I know I've screwed that one up before. I joke around. I'm like, douche. No, that's not what it is. That's not how you say it. I have gotten products from this brand before and actually really, really like them. This is the Freematic Bronzer and it retails for $40. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. So I don't see any shimmer in it, and that's fine. I do have a couple Natasha Denona bronzers right now that I'm loving, but they have shimmer in them. So I love the fact that this is matte, and I love the fact that it's not too orange. That is the hardest thing I battle with when it comes to bronzers and contour. It just, for whatever reason, I don't know if it's something in my skin, but sometimes they end up looking like really, really orange. It frustrates me. Okay. The next thing, and I saw this, and I was like gaga when I saw this sneak peek of this. It was just so freaking adorable. Isn't it so cute? It's by Beauty Creations, and they've got a really affordable brand. I do like a lot of their products, and as you can see, it's a full brush set. And it's got all these glitters, and there's a liquid in the handles. So, look at it. Oh, I love it. I'm probably not going to keep it, though, because I have got, like, a ton of brushes right now. Because I get the Hank and Henry brush subscription, and then Jamie sent me a bunch of brushes. So, I'm probably just going to give it back to one of you guys. Okay. It's a 7-piece brush set, and it retails for $20. Not $7. It's a 7-piece brush set. Retails for $20. Okay. Last but not least is a B Bella palette. And again, this was something we got to choose. Lotus Love palette. That's the outside packaging. And it retails, did I tell you what it retails for? $12. I've gotten several things from this brand, and the Bee Bella palettes are actually really, really nice. And this is flippin' gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty, right? I'm going to give this back to one of you guys. Like right now. With the brush set. All you got to do, leave a comment down below and let me know you want in on the palette and the brush set. And of course, all of my general giveaway rules apply. 18 years or older, U.S. resident. Would love it if you would like this video. Would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And of course, because I use a YouTube random comment picker, leave a comment and just put enter me. And I don't know, I'll do the drawing next week. How's that? Okay. That worked out really good. So what do we think of this subscription? Honestly, it has really become one of my new favorites. It's just overall a great value. We get really good products. In addition to that, I mean, some of the products are a little more high-end. Some of them are a little more affordable. But again, I'm good with that because it's giving me the opportunity to try new things like the blush things. Who'd have thunk? What's the total value of this box? It's $122. Yeah. That's a really, really good value. I'm impressed. I am, like I said, loving this subscription. So if you want to get your hands on it, again, make sure you use my discount code. Get a discount off your first box. And let me know when you get it so I can be excited for you. Thank you guys, as always, for coming to hang out with me during another one of my unboxings. I do appreciate you so, so much. And again, make sure if you haven't done so already, smash the subscribe button and notification bell. In doing that, be sure you click all notifications because not only do I do my unboxings, I do giveaways, I do spoilers. In addition to that, I post a bunch of deals, discounts, mystery boxes, anything that I can find on a daily basis to get you guys really good deals and so that you don't miss out on sales or mystery boxes and stuff like that. Okay. Love you bunches. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.